Hello everyone, here I am with my report for 28th day of self-control. Everything is going well without significant stress and I am managing all tasks I've planned. Only use is that I still haven't been able to adjust my sleep schedule. It's still unstable, unfortunately. But I hope everything will settle down soon. Today's report is short, without extra memoirs that mean tire you out. If not, let me know if you'd like more details, description of my state as a test subject. And everything always work out for me is the best way possible because my universe take care of me and everything for me and my family is going as it should. Thank you and see you tomorrow.